Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung technique ko sa paggawa ng smooth skin tone ng portrait.
Can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside, but now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day.